So in a pre-production meeting before we got to the Thriller project, I remember Quincy Jones saying to me, actually to a bunch of us, we've got to get people to want to go back into the record stores. Real important thought. We've got to get people to want to go back into the record stores. Something serious had to be done. What to do? Well, I found out. Thriller is what you do. When people ask Quincy if he knew how to surpass the huge success of Off the Wall, he always says, we had to leave space to let God walk through the room. I think that's true. I think what he is saying is that there is no way to connect to the thought of making a bigger album than Off the Wall. You can't do that. You have to just focus and then do it. Here's the intro track sheet for Thriller. Any questions? This is just the intro to Thriller. This is not the sound. This is a 24-track sheet for the intro to Thriller. Now, I'd like to ask you, let's see how sharp you people are. Is there anything unusual about this track sheet or this recording? One at a time. No, it isn't SMPTE. SMPTE's got nothing to do with music. It holds the music together and that's it. Wow, that's what it is. Every source in this intro is recorded in stereo. That's right. At the time we were working on Thriller, I had or I should say B and I had a large dog. His name was Max. He was a Great Dane. Next. There's Max. I took Max with me to the studio. We bribed Max with hamburgers. I took Max, he didn't want to do anything. He didn't want to be on Thriller. So I took him home and B and I put him out by the barn to listen to the coyotes at night. But Max wasn't interested. Huh? Yeah, we were trying to get him to howl. I wanted Max's voice to be the wolf howls on the intro to Thriller. In the end, we had to have Michael do the wolf howls because Max wasn't impressed with show business at all. He was a very normal dog. So in the second intro, after the scary introduction, I wanted to create a low end of the spectrum illusion by starting the kick drum that appears only in that part of the intro with minimal low frequency content so that the ear will adjust, your ear will adjust to that spectral response. And then when the ass-kicking bass and kick drum, the real thing comes in, you can tell.